Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and guys, my name is Kumar and we are going to start a new batch with respect to a generative AI. As we all know that generative AI is one of the booming field, and obviously when we talk about a generative AI, it's a combination of multiple framework, multiple technology, and at the end of the day building an amazing project which you can try to write inside your resume. Now, keeping all of these things in a mind, so this generative AI we have launched in a live mode, which is going to start from 2nd of August, as you can see. So this batch we are going to start on 2nd of August, and this complete batch will be in a live mode. I'm going to take your classes basically, and this is the class timing, as you can see. So class is going to start from 9 a.m. morning, and after a live class, so we are going to have a doubt clearing. Now, so this is just a timing, and obviously this is an announcement date. Price of this batch is very affordable. It's a 3540 including a GST, 3540 rupees only, including a GST. And if you are from outside India, so obviously price is almost equivalent to the same price, which is going to be a $45 USD. And let's talk about that, what we are going to discuss inside this batch. But before that I would like to discuss one more thing. So whenever we are talking about a generative AI, obviously you need an access of an LLMs, you need an access for chat completion, you need an access for maybe streaming, maybe for image, maybe for speech, or maybe for embedding. So you need an API. So without API or without access of LLMs, you will not be able to build an application or whatever tool technology we are going to discuss. And obviously you don't have to go anywhere else. So we have made sure that all of these things you all will be able to get inside a platform itself, inside a Euron ecosystem itself. And keeping that in a mind, so we have a 25 plus AI model, not just one, two, but 25 plus AI model, including a model from OpenAI or Google, Meta, DeepSeek, Alibaba, Mistral, Black Forest, Together, LG AI, Play AI. So almost whatever famous platform that you are going to use for an API access, you will be having an access. Plus, we have made sure that whatever popular platform that we are going to discuss, whatever known platform, I would say, or a platform that we are using to build a real-time application, to build maybe an agent, to build maybe a tool, to build maybe a MCP servers, for everything we have each and every application, or we have each and every AI framework which we have made compatible with this API, so that without any kind of a hassle, you all will be able to use it in a seamless manner. So now let's talk about batch, that what we are going to discuss. So obviously we will be talking about a Euron ecosystem, because Euron ecosystem is going to give you not just a chat completion, but it is going to give you even a Yuri, which is equivalent to a chat GPT or any other platform that you are going to use. So where you will be able to access all kind of a model, as you can see, the model from Google Gemini or Mistral or Llama or GPT Mini or GPT 4.1, each and everything you all will be able to access it. And we have made it compatible. We have made it compatible API wise with all the famous platform. Now, so obviously we are going to talk about vector databases, we are going to talk about agents, we are going to talk about a framework like a LangChain, which is one of the popular framework inside a market of generative AI or agentic AI, whatever you can say. And we have included a LangGraph, we have included a Crew AI inside this one, we have automated, or we have included basically N8N automation over here, we have included a Microsoft AutoGen over here, and model fine tuning. We have included a RAG inside this one, agentic AI inside this one, MCP inside this one, A2A protocol, agent to agent communication protocol over here, generative AI with respect to a cloud, LLM deployment, CI/CD monitoring, and a real world project. Now, real world project wise, I'm going to talk about a Yuri kind of a system that we have built, a system which thousands of people are using on a daily basis in a live mode. So we are going to talk about that, AI internship plus job recommendation portal creation. Again, it's a pure generative AI or agentic AI based application. We are going to talk about AI meeting summarizer. We are going to talk about or generative AI based recommendation system, which almost everyone is using nowadays. So this kind of a system we are going to discuss with all of you in a practical manner, end to end, till a deployment, guys. Till a deployment we are going to discuss. And everything we are going to discuss as a part of this batch. This batch will take approximately, you can say, a 4 to 5 month for a completion. Not just that. So prerequisite for this batch is basically a basic of Python, and if you will go and check inside your dashboard, you will be able to find out that basic of Python we have already uploaded. We have already uploaded inside your dashboard, so that you will be able to do some sort of a revision if you want. If you don't want, it's completely fine, you can leave it. But yeah, so if you are looking for a revision, so you can come over here and you will be able to do a revision of this particular Python, which is required as a basic. If not, even if you're aware about little bit of Python, that's completely fine with me. I'm not forcing anyone to go ahead and attend all of these lectures that we have uploaded. It's completely fine. I'm going to take care of each and everything. But yeah, little bit of basic or little bit of understanding of Python is required, which is going to give you a lot of help and which is going to make your journey very smooth. You will be able to get 1 year access of this entire content. So whatever content that we are going to upload now. So like I said that we are going to conduct this particular batch in a live mode, which is completely fine. But let's suppose if you are not able to attend some of the classes, you don't have to worry about anything. So we are going to upload a recording of each and every live classes within 2 to 3 hours, you can say, after completion of the live classes, because we have to convert those videos in a MP4 format, and then only we will be able to upload those videos. So a recording will be available for later purposes. So if you would like to watch those recordings, maybe for a revision purpose, or maybe if you have missed some of the classes, so you don't have to worry about anything. As simple as that, right? So we have mentioned that access Euron AI tool, including a 12 plus model, but now it becomes a 25 plus. When we have launched it, so at that point of a time, it was 12, but now it is basically a 25. And just go and check out our API system. It's an amazing API system that we have created. So where you will be able to get ease of use. Just in one click, you can create one API key, and with the help of one API key, you will be able to access all of those 25 model that we are talking about. You will be able to track your users as well. Per day, you are going to get 1 lakh token limit. So in a year, it's a 365 lakh token limit, which I'm talking about, which is very huge. And just check out this entire API system that we have created in an amazing way for all of you. So yeah, you don't have to go anywhere. This is what I'm trying to say, that for generative AI, for like this particular batch, LLM access is required, and each and everything is given to all of you just on your fingertips. So hope all of you are going to like it. Batch price is super affordable. It's just 3540, including a taxes, including 18% of a GST. So yeah, you can check out this batch, and if you're going to like it, so you can try to enroll, and we are going to have a lot of discussion in a live mode where you will be able to discuss with me, discuss with your batchmates. You all will be able to get your own WhatsApp group access after joining. So we have already attached a WhatsApp group link inside your batch. And yeah, so if you have any kind of a thoughts, if you have any kind of a comments, please let me know. We'll try to answer all of your comments or all of your doubts with our best. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next video.